Febi.bilstein recommends that any diagnosis and maintenance is carried out by a fully trained vehicle technician.
Unbolt the wheel. Remove the protective underbody cladding. Remove the track control arm cover to gain access to the inner threaded connection of the control arm. Unhook the ambient temperature sensor. Remove the front part of the wheel housing liner. Undo and remove the control arm bolt. Loosen the nuts on the control arm. Undo the clamping screw between wheel bearing housing and shock absorber to allow the control arm to be removed. Push the shock absorber up and out of the wheel bearing housing a little. Use a suitable tool to press the control arm out of the wheel bearing housing. Remove the control arm. Install the new control arm with the outer joint first and then fix this to the cross member. Use a new bolt and a new nut. However, do not tighten the threaded connection definitively yet. Bolt the control arm to the wheel bearing housing. Raise the wheel bearing housing with a suitable tool until the end stop is reached. Move the vehicle to unladen weight position. Unless specified otherwise by the manufacturer, suspension components are tightened in unladen weight position. Tighten the clamping screw between wheel bearing housing and suspension strut. Fasten the inner mounting bolt of the control arm. Reinstall the control arm cover and wheel housing liner.